Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to replace Bing search with Google search when you search something on the Taskbar search for Windows 10 or 11. As you may know that Windows 10 uses Bing as its default search engine for Taskbar search. So when you type a query in the Taskbar search box like, you can see Windows search will suggest web searches which will open Microsoft Edge and use Microsoft Bing to answer your question. You can see this from here. So while Bing is a decent search engine, but many people prefer to use Google search. So unfortunately there is no built-in way to change the default search engine for Taskbar searches in Windows. So for that, stick around and I will show you the way. So first we need to open the Edge browser. On the upper right hand side you will find three dots. Just click on that and from the list click on extension, then click on manage extension. Scroll down at the bottom, you can find Chrome Web Store. Once we click on this, Chrome Web Store page will open, and in the search you need to type Chrometana. This is a third-party browser extension that can use to replace Bing search with Google search. Okay, so Chrometana intercepts all the Bing searches requests and redirect them to the Google search. So this is the way it's work. Once you press on enter, here you will find Chrometana Pro, redirect Chrometana and Bing, and Chrometana, redirect Bing somewhere better. So we need to click on this, and here you need to click on get. After that, click on add extension. So once the page will open, here you will find two options to pick your preferred search engine,
Google and Yahoo. So you need to click on Google.
Okay, so after that close all the open pages and restart the Edge browsers, and after that you can test it out. Okay, so now I'm going to test it. So in the Taskbar search, type your search query, and you can see Chrometana should intercept the search query and redirect it to the Google search. That means which will open Microsoft Edge
and use Google to answer your question.
You can see from here, Chrome page will open. So that's it. You have now replaced Bing search with Google search for Taskbar searches in Windows 10 or 11. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.